Good morning. This is Greg at the Pocatello National Weather Service office with the weather hazard briefing for Tuesday, August 12th, 2025. Generally very hot conditions continuing through Wednesday. We're going to get a little system move through Wednesday. Much breezier conditions will occur Wednesday and Thursday. And again, the main threat to that will be some critical fire weather conditions possibly. And we could have some red flag warnings issued later this afternoon with much stronger winds expected Wednesday and Thursday with 20 to 35 mile per hour wind gusts, pretty widespread. We'll also see the thunderstorm risk increasing Wednesday through Friday. Most of those will be in the southern mountains, but anyone could see at least an isolated storm beginning Wednesday, continuing through the rest of the week into the weekend. Humidity is going to be very low both today and tomorrow into Thursday. Looking at the satellite imagery loop, pretty much clear skies throughout all of Idaho. A few high clouds across the Island Park, Yellowstone National Park area. But for the most part, it's going to be widespread sunny skies again today. The weather risk outlook. Again, we're mainly looking at Wednesday and Thursday for some impacts, mainly with the low humidity and breezy conditions, and also the thunderstorms picking up in the southern and eastern highlands Wednesday through Saturday. Again, isolated could occur anywhere, but at least fire weather-wise, think the main impacts are going to be Wednesday and Thursday, and then some thunderstorms continuing Friday into the weekend. High temperatures today, very hot, well above normal. We see 90s everywhere in the low elevations, mid-90s across the lower Snake Plain, Magic Valley, even the mountain areas well into the 80s for the most part. And the low minimum humidity today, again, widespread, below 15%, everyone below 20%. So very dry conditions in place. Wind gusts today, again, should not be critical. Could see some areas of 20 to 25 mile per hour wind gusts. So we are getting closer to that critical level. Low temperatures tonight, much warmer than they have been. Mid to upper 50s in the Snake River Plain, generally 40s to lower 50s mountains. High temperatures Wednesday, very hot once again, mid to upper 90s across many of the lower elevations. And even the mountains, for the most part, mid to upper 80s, except extremely high mountain passes. And here are the wind gusts for tomorrow. You can see across Lemhi County, some of the Sawtooth region into the upper Snake River Plain. Widespread 25 to 35 mile per hour gusts. So again, there is at least a chance we're going to be issuing some red flag warnings for Wednesday later on this afternoon. Humidities tomorrow widespread below 15% as well. So tomorrow looks like it could be the most critical fire weather day. Low temperatures tomorrow night, again fairly mild, 40s mountains, 50s to mid-60s valleys. A bit cooler Thursday behind that weak system moving through, generally upper 80s to around 90 in the valleys, upper 70s to lower 80s in the mountains. So a bit of a cool down on Thursday and Friday. Right around normal high temperatures for the most part as we get into the latter part of the week. Still dry though on Thursday, widespread, below 15% in the northern areas, and Friday as well, pretty much 10 to 20% for minimum humidities across the board. And looking at the 8 to 14 day, 1 to 2 week outlook, period 19th through the 25th, very high chances of above normal temperatures over southeastern Idaho, and near normal, equal chances pretty much of above and below normal precipitation, pretty much near normal forecast. So hot conditions are going to continue as we get into the latter part of August. So the summary, very hot today and Wednesday, mid-90s in the valleys. We're going to see an increasing risk of thunderstorms Wednesday through Friday. Most of them in the southern mountains. We're going to have moderate to strong winds on Wednesday and Thursday with the low humidity. And near critical to critical fire weather days expected Wednesday and Thursday with gusts generally 20 to 35 miles per hour widespread throughout all of southeastern Idaho. So that concludes the briefing for today. If you have any questions, visit our website, call us 24 hours a day at the number listed on this sheet, or visit us on social media. Thank you, and everyone have a nice day today.